Come on out. Come on out. There we go. Whew. Don't want to come out now because gotta turn this back the opposite way. Test light. Turn this in a way where, there you go. Get your all right. All right.
There's our $8.99.
Mine's out.
You have to have the iridium, but the
number 10 bolt. Try to get this out. Ooh, this got some stuff on. I don't know what that is. I want to break that. Things do not come out the way you want them easily, do they? It's got some junk on there, like here. How do I get this to come out? I need to get some pliers probably to pull that out. Look like friction ain't gonna work, is it? Can't use the plastic. Ain't not strong enough. Uh-oh. Something came out, but hopefully it didn't break. Oh man, I broke that thing. Now that's gonna probably be even harder to get out because it got the O-rings inside that stupid thing. Whoa, I hate this. But this thing here is strange though, because it got a lot of gunk on it. Let's see that gunk? What all this stuff is on here? Terrible. Okay. Almost smell like antifreeze, almost. Now I got a bigger problem. I gotta get the part of it out. I'll probably get some needle nose, try to pull it out. Let's see. Alright, let me see if I can get this out.
Took your hand out to do this, huh?
Alright, I got it. Alright folks, I had a rough time over here. Had to get busy here. I have this step drill.
You got another one?
No, I got it out. Just showing the step drill. And I had to drill inside there to get this nose out. Let's see here. Once I got, where's it?
Right there.
This nose, got it drilled in there, and then I use a screw to pull the rest of the solenoid out. You don't want to get to that point, boy. Or do you not? Because you'd be in trouble. I thought I was in trouble there. But this one here, this solenoid has a lot of gunk in it. Like here, and to me it smells like antifreeze. Doesn't smell too good. Look at that on that solenoid. I'm gonna have to check the fluid on this. Even though this had a solenoid coat, I'm gonna have to see what's going on. Maybe the antifreeze gunk in there is what caused it to do what it's doing. I don't know. But it sure doesn't look good. Don't look good at all. Alright, time to put this solenoid in. And put some grease around the O-rings. It does have the O-rings on it. Good thing, because a lot of times the dealerships, what they will do, they sell you solenoid, and you know you need the O-rings. They won't sell you the O-rings on purpose. That's how they are. So, okay, let's see here. Come on, where is it? Where is the hole? Look like that should be it. Yep, pushed it in. Let me put this thing in. Let me make sure I see where the... Give me a little mirror here so I can see down here. What's going on? Where are you, mirror? There you go. Almost on there like it's supposed to be. Alright, I got that in. Now I gotta take this off. Alright, now time for the brand new harness. Okay, remember orange went down to the bottom one, to the new solenoid. We're gonna put that in. Alright, with the red one, it's here at the top. Green is up here and the yellow one's at the bottom. So we got the green. Push this in some more.
With my car. So, right. Did they give you 500 for it, or did you do it? Yeah, right. You just did on this, yeah. Yeah, basically. So, I got a 2019 Train 350.
Got that in. Make sure this all the way in. Okay. Now there's a gasket right here. You could try to reuse this. Maybe you could try the silicone and put that in, but I have a new gasket. I'm gonna clean this gasket off. Then I'm gonna put the cover on, and then I'm gonna put the solenoids back together. Okay, so here's the what you call it here. All right, this is okay here. All right, so I'm gonna put this back together after I get all that out. Alright folks, I got these solenoids, the wires in. Last is to put in this bolt here that holds this in. Okay, now I'm going to hook this back in and listen for the click again. Of course it should click, the old one did, so why wouldn't the new one do? But hook this back up.